Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Assistive Touch on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, we want to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then go down to the Physical and Motor section. Then we tap on Touch. Now in the touch screen, we tap on Assistive Touch and then tap on Assistive Touch switch to turn this feature on or off. Now once this feature is on, you can see there is a small circle available for you to tap on it. Once you tap on it, another menu will open, and in here you can tap on the home button. You can open up Control Center. You can use gestures. You can choose a custom action. You can also open up Notification Center or device. Now all of these items here can be customized with different action, so that it can meet your need if you need to change it. So for example, this is customize top level menu. So this is the top level menu. If you tap on that, you can see there are different items that you can add or remove. So for example, device, you can change it to say lock screen, for example, and tap on done. So if I tap on this one here, it goes to the lock screen instead of doing other things. Now if you mess it up, and if you want to go back to the default, you can tap on reset, and that will go back to the default. You can also tap on the minus or the plus button to add in more items or more icons, so that you have more shortcuts in your top level menu. The maximum that you can have is 8 items, and that's it. You can also remove them if you don't need it. And you can see these are the top level menu. And then there are a lot of other functions that you can customize and change. I won't go into the details in this video, but basically that's how you can turn Assistive Touch on and off, and how you can use it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.